Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I do with my hair during the week during the lockdown. I've already posted a video on how I style my hair, but during the week, what do I do? But before we get into this video, please click that subscribe button, follow me on Facebook, like my page, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. In the styling video that I've posted already, I either make 4 jumbo twists or I just make 2 plaits or 2 braids. During the week, every second or third day, depending on how my hair is feeling, I need to moisturize my hair during the week. So what I do is I'll open up the plaits or the twists and I'll add the best moisturizer on the market, which is water. I lightly spritz my hair with water. I do not drench my hair with water, but I'll focus on my ends, I'll focus on my roots, and I'll add just a little bit of water. Please don't drench your hair. After that, depending on how my hair feels, I'll go in with another step. This step is optional. If my hair is feeling really dry, I'll go in with the leave-in conditioner. In my video, I was using South African products. In my hand here, I do have a South African leave-in conditioner from Girl Boss. In the video, I did use the Perfect Hair, or I'll go in with exactly the same. The reason I brought up this one is because this one has a spray. It's a spritz, so it makes it a little bit easier to lightly add instead of really over coating your hair and making it very, very heavy. That's the reason why I brought out a spray, but add a leave-in conditioner of your choice, and this step is optional. We're moisturizing during the week, and I go in with the same moisturizer that's in the video, and this is from Afrotame. It's the Hydrating Hair Moisturizer, and I use very, very little. I don't want to make my hair greasy. I don't want to over moisturize my hair, or I take very little, put it in each section. I just replait or retwist my hair. And that's it guys, that's what I do during the week. As I said earlier, I'll do it every second or third day. If I do more plaits or more twists, so if for example I do 2-strand twists and I have about 8 or 10, what I generally do is I will not reopen them during the week. I'll spritz my hair with water and I'll add a leave-in conditioner, and I'll still moisturize it, but I'll moisturize while my hair is still in the 2-strand twist. Really, almost never will I do that with a lot of plaits. It's way too much work for me. But what I'm trying to say to you guys is, if you have more than 4, more than 2, and as I said earlier, around 8 or more, I would do this process while my hair is still in twist or plaits. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of how I basically refresh my hair and maintain the moisture in my hair during the week. I always appreciate you guys. Drop the comments down below and I'll see you again. Take care.